Hey guys, guess what? I get one surprise.
What is it?
You guys want to go to the Laughing Samoan show tonight?
Yeah.
You guys want to have a good time?
Yeah.
You guys want to laugh all night long?
Yeah.
You guys got money? Okay, you guys go sleep. Tell your mom we gotta go. Hurry up.
I got you. You don't have any skills. We have 10 children and you say I have no skills?
Exercise? Have you been doing exercise? The last time you said you were going to the gym, have you still been going to the gym?
Jim was last week, I'm now with Charles.
Hey, I'm still mad at you. You gotta stay home. She's taking us to the show. Surprise!
Surprise your mouth.
Number one rule, any relationship is communication.
I am trying
You
to
have spoken, I listen. Now you can't listen when I speak. First time all my life I have worked here in New Zealand, I have ever been treated like I'm a hobbit.